Welcome to our newest van build here at Nomadik Customs. This, even though it seems like a simple design, was probably one of the most complex builds that we've ever done here. We had to do so much engineering to make sure that we were able to provide safe seating and seat belts for the clients and her grandkids and passengers of the like, as well as some other unique features that we put into this build. We worked with our client to try to do as close to her original layout as possible, and we're pretty proud with what we came up with. So let's take a gander and see what we did. One of the really cool things about this particular van is the open concept and layout. We also provided full 360-degree cabinets around, which is one of the first times that we've ever done that. So you have a bulkhead cabinets on either end, as well as the long cabinets on both sides. One of the things she wanted was a small closet, so we actually put this small closet in here as well. And then we had to transfer all these different things, large refrigerator space, all of our mechanicals. We have a 400 amp hour at 24 volt power system here, so it translates to around 10,000 watt hours or 800 amp hours at 12 volt. All Victron components, so we had to fully engineer and weld up a frame they could bolt into the frame of the vehicle, because we also wanted to provide seat belts and safety for the passengers in the rear here. In order to get things done to a place that we could do that, with the water tank, all of the components for climate control and power system, we had to elevate this bench seat here, and so that it could fold over into the bed. When we did that, we had to raise everything up, so then we put this raised floor up as well, and then we're able to put in some extra storage in the bottom here for some other like shoes or chairs or whatever. Also, this storage underneath here is accessed from the back underneath this couch here as well. So a lot of engineering kind of went into the process of all this, but we were able to provide some nice cubbies, make this a really comfortable space for people to be able to ride, but then still translate it into a comfortable bed for a couple people, and then give ample storage. Our client that we built this for was kind of wanting to use this as base camp, and so she's got a large family, and this was going to be kind of the base camp where you could have all the cooking, all of the stuff that you needed to do for providing food and services for a large family, have a large freezer space, have a large refrigerator, still have ample storage for everything, still have a toilet, still have this couch that could be in the back, so she could have potentially up to 5 people riding with seatbelted seats. So like I said, one of the more complicated vans that we've ever built, but we're really proud with how it turned out, and we hope that you like it as well.